Hello everyone, this bird is called Manakin and they love to moonwalk to try and impress other birds. This is how it looks like when the place was hit by a sandstorm. This is the Falkrik wheel located in Scotland and is the only rotating boat lift in the world. The wheel was created to help connect the canal to a different waterway, making transportation much easier. Here is a really interesting watch. The hour numbers rotate onto the stationary minute marks.
Exactly. It's really, very positively surprised how smooth and how less energy.
Can I have your cheese? Can I have that? Can I have your cheese? Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me that. Give me that. Give me your cheese.
This person made a time-lapse video showing how rain falls from the clouds.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, buckums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing.
I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, a sub would be amazing. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.